Look at this, guys. This is a beautiful motor snapper in every single possible way, guys. We get them here in Key Biscayne, and I'm so happy that they actually come here. I've been catching 3 today, but look at this, guys. Look at this beauty. It's a small one, so you can actually see everything, guys. Look at this. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for the subscriber, and
quiero que te vean y te siguen. Soy un bandolero, le gusta ver una coqueta. Dime cómo suena la pobreza. Sé que tú supiste que tú fuiste la coqueta. Tú siempre fuiste la coqueta. Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando vuela.
you want coffee, guys, for everybody?
Dime, dime.
Guys, we're here in the beautiful Biscayne area. We've been here for like 20-30 minutes before nothing. But I have to tell you guys it's going to be an amazing day. And the sun is out. The water is actually pretty nice. And I can't complain. So I got 3 lines in the water right now. So I'm just going to wait, and I'm going to start from there, guys. That's the best way that I can actually start my day. Relaxing. I got a big one over here, guys. See what it is? I'm just pulling good, guys. In here all day. And this fish, I ain't up here yet. Let's see what it is, guys. Oh, nice. Look at this, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful motor snapper, guys. Oh my God, guys. What an amazing catch, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this amazing fish. Look how beautiful this fish is. I love how they fight. They actually bite really, really, really good. And I'm gonna actually measure it right now. Let's see how big it is. But you know, what an experience, guys. It's actually pretty nice. I actually like it. Let me get a towel, guys. That way I can actually grab it a little bit better. But awesome. This is one of the reasons that I love this place. You can come here and catch a lot of different species. So let me see how big it is. It has to be 18 to take it home, guys. And he's actually 16 and a half, guys. 16 and a half. But look at this, guys. You know, awesome in every single possible way. And something that I like is, look at that mark right there, guys. And look at the color, how beautiful it is. I'm gonna actually release it, but this is one of the reasons that I come here. I'm really happy about it. All right, guys. Look at this. I never seen this here. The sand is actually coming back from the hurricane, and it looks completely white, almost like you can actually see the sand. And there's a lot of garbage and grass out there too, but beautiful, guys. But I never seen that. Look at that. All right, guys, I got another thing over here. Let's see. Oh wow, another motor snapper, guys. This one is actually a small one, but look at this, guys. This is a beautiful motor snapper in every single possible way, guys. We get them here in Key Biscayne, and I'm so happy that they actually come here. I've been catching 3 today, but look at this, guys. Look at this beauty. It's a small one, so you can actually see everything, guys. Look at this. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for the subscriber, and I'm going to release this one, guys. 3 more snapper in a day. That's actually pretty good. 3 of this one, guys, in the same day. Pretty nice. Look at this. Beautiful. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and welcome to the channel if you're new, guys. I'm gonna release this one now, guys. Really important, guys. Release the fish if the fish is not on size. That way you don't put yourself in trouble, especially here in the bay. So I'm gonna try with this little piece right here, guys, and let's see how it goes. Alright, guys, I got something here too. Actually pulling, and he's pulling good, guys. He's actually pulling good. Let's see what it is, guys. It's fully normal, not that big. So I'm gonna actually see what I bring, but look at this one, guys. Beautiful colors that they have. Look at this one. They're actually beauty, and it's a bless. It's a bless every time I come and I can catch something even like this, guys. Something even like this. It makes a big difference. But look at that fish. Look at that. Sorry, he actually wants to go, guys. But look at that fish. Pretty amazing, and I hope you guys like it, and welcome to the channel, guys. In every single possible way, look at that beautiful fish. I'm gonna release this one too, so I will see you guys with the other catch, guys. That's 3 in a row, just like that, guys. It's like around almost 5, and let's see what I got. See what else we can catch. I hope I can catch I hope I can catch like a big snapper or something like that. I've been trying to catch one of them for a while. I was planning to go to get a little more deep water today, but I actually realized that I have to stay on the bay. You know, but it's still awesome, and what can I say, guys? It's an amazing experience for me, and you know, every week it's a different story, different type of fish, and that's what I like it. That's what I come here for, and I hope you guys enjoy and like it. Let's see, guys. But I got another one over here. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, definitely I got another one. This one is a little bit bigger than the other one. Look at this, guys. Amazing, look at that. This one is a little bit bigger than the other one, but amazing, guys. You know, look at that. Look at that beauty right there. Amazing. Look at that. So beautiful. All right, I'm gonna let it go, guys.
I've been living life right like I could just die